Hi everyone, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Tuesday, 2nd of Feb 2021. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting with the pound-yen analysis.
The Great Britain pound inched higher against the Japanese yen on Tuesday, increasing the price of the pound yen to more than 143 ahead of the release of BoE Asset Purchase Facility news.
That's right. This pair, the pound yen, is currently strengthening around the 143.39 level. Looking at the chart, we can see the following resistance levels. That resistance 1 is the 143.73, which is the upper trend line arm. Second resistance is at 144.09, a key horizontal resistance. Finally, the third resistance is the psychological level of 145 flat.
On the downside, the price of the pound yen might have some critical support levels. Looking at the chart, the first support will be 142.18, which is the low of January 28, 2021. And the second support will be 141.46, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci level. The third support will be 141 even, which is psychological number.
Okay, so the Bank of England, BoE Asset Purchase Facility news is coming up. So the Bank of England anticipates releasing stats for the Asset Purchase Facility on Thursday, February the 4th, this month. According to economists' view, the Asset Purchasing Facility reached a reading of £895 billion in December, bearing no change as compared to the same reading of £895 billion in the previous month.
The Asset Purchase Facility reflects the wealth of money the Bank of England plans to create and inject into the country's economy. The process usually takes place through open market bond purchases to influence interest rates in the long term. Such monetary strategy or tool is also known as quantitative easing.
In conclusion, considering the price movement of this pair, the pound yen, in the past few days, buying this pair around the current levels might be a profitable trading decision in the short term. Now let's move on to the USDCAD analysis.
The US dollar slid down against the Canadian dollar on Tuesday, decreasing the price of the USDCAD to less than 1.2900 ahead of the release of Canadian unemployment rate news.
Currently, this pair, the USDCAD, the loonie, otherwise known as, is trading around the 1.2842. And looking at the chart again, we're going to come across the following support levels. First support is at 1.2783, which is the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. Second support is at 1.2684, which is the lower trendline arm. And finally, the third support you'll find it's the 1.2588, which is a major horizontal support.
On the upside, the price of the pair may face some significant resistance levels. Looking at the chart, the first resistance will be 1.2904, which is the major horizontal resistance. And the second resistance will be 1.3008, which is the high of December 1st, 2020. And the third resistance will be 1.3108, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci level resistance.
So the Canadian unemployment rate news. The Statistics Canada is scheduled to release these numbers on Friday, February the 5th, and as per average consensus of economists, the unemployment rate reached a reading of 8.9 in January as compared to a reading of 8.6% in December.
The unemployment rate reflects the number of people having no jobs over the period under consideration. The stats are derived as a percentage of unemployed workers out of the total civilian workforce. Canadians' unemployment rate is one of the leading indicators for the Canadian economy. The increasing rate reflects a lack of expansion in the Canadian labour market that indicates a weakening Canadian economy. Generally speaking, decreasing figure is seen as positive for the CAD, while it suggests a bearish market for the USDCAD pair ahead and vice versa.
Well said. In conclusion, given the macroeconomic outlook of this pair, buying it around the current levels might bring some quick profits in short to medium term trading. But as always, trade with your head, not your heart. Always trade with what you can afford to lose, and at all times apply strict money and risk management techniques.
Yes. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and our Instagram at Forex Decoded. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and also comment down below.
Have a happy trading day. See you next time.
See you.